It's important to keep your ear tips and the mesh grills under the ear tips clean and free of debris. If there's any debris or buildup on either, it can affect the sound quality of your earbuds. In this video, we'll show you how to properly clean them. We recommend quickly cleaning your Bose earbuds after each use and checking for any debris buildup to help keep them sounding their best. Additionally, if you ever need to fully replace your ear tips or stability bands, you can do so in the accessories section of our website. If it's been a while since you last cleaned your ear tips or stability bands, we recommend you follow these steps. First, gently remove them from the earbuds. Wash them with mild detergent and warm water, and then rinse thoroughly. Dry the ear tips and stability bands with a soft cloth. Before reattaching, leave them in the open for an extended period of time so any excess moisture can dry. While the ear tips and stability bands are drying, check the earbud nozzles for any debris or wax buildup. Lightly wipe the mesh screens on the openings of the earbuds with a soft, dry cloth or cotton swab. Be careful not to push any earwax or debris into the openings. However, if earwax is built up on your earbuds and cannot be wiped off, you'll need to perform a deeper clean. For this cleaning method, you'll need 2 soft cloths, a small cup, a soft bristled toothbrush, protective gloves, and hydrogen peroxide. Be sure to only use hydrogen peroxide with a 3% concentration. Start by putting on your protective gloves, and then use a soft cloth to apply a small amount of hydrogen peroxide to the mesh surface of the earbud. Be careful not to allow excess liquid to enter the open port of the earbud. Let the hydrogen peroxide sit for 5 minutes to allow the wax to soften. Now, add a small amount of hydrogen peroxide to the cup. Dip the toothbrush in the hydrogen peroxide until the bristles are fully saturated. Gently scrub up and away from the mesh surface to loosen and remove the wax without pushing it further into the earbud nozzle. Once the mesh surface is clean, gently shake out any excess liquid or debris and then dry the earbuds with a soft cloth. Before reattaching the ear tips and stability bands, leave your earbuds in the open for an extended period of time so any excess moisture can dry. Once everything is fully dry, reattach the ear tips and stability bands to the earbuds. There's a dot on your earbud and stability band to help ensure they're aligned correctly. If the stability band on your earbud is not aligned correctly, it could prevent it from making a solid connection with the charging pins in the case. The earbud should snap into place and the LED will illuminate. Close the lid to protect your earbuds against dust and to preserve battery life. That's it. For additional support, visit our website.